In this video, we'll be starting our next unit, Unit 5. We're going to begin into some geometry. So this is 5.1. Naming angles and angle relationships. This is a lot of definitions, so I'm going to split this up into two videos. So we'll do this one as 5.1.1, and the next one will be 5.1.2. Okay, and then our essential question will be, how do I name and categorize angles? So the first thing we're going to look at is naming an angle. So we'll draw our angle. Like so. So there's three parts to an angle. We have the arm and an arm, so that's two parts right there, two arms. And then we have the vertex, which is a point. So we can say segments XP and XT are arms. So I'm putting a little line over it to represent a line segment. And then I can say the point X is the vertex. So there's two ways to name this angle. Either one is correct. And the main point is the vertex must always be the center letter. So again, the vertex is always the center letter for when we're naming. So there's two ways to name it, and so the name of this could be I could have angle TXP. The vertex is in the middle. Or we could name it angle PXT. Both are correct. Okay, so that's how we name an angle. It's always going to be that letter that is in the middle. Now, how we can categorize angles, four different ways. So I'm going to use the same picture for all four. Okay. So we're going to have category, then we'll do a definition, and then we'll have our example. So then this is categorizing angles. Okay, so the category, and these are words that I believe we've heard before. The first one will be acute. And that's an angle whose measurement is less than 90 degrees. So angle measures less than 90 degrees. And the angle that measures less than 90 degrees, I see two possibilities. We can say angle AQB, always putting that vertex in the middle. Or angle BQC. Both of these angles are less than 90 degrees. Next we'll do obtuse. And that's an angle measures greater than 90 degrees. So which angle measures greater than 90 degrees? Well, that's going to be this angle, BQD. And then we'll have our next one is our right angle. And that's the angle that measures 90 degrees. Or has that little box. So that little box that's in the corner of the angle is our symbol that shows us that it's 90 degrees. So we either have a measurement of 90 degrees or we'll have this little symbol right here. And for this one, I see CQD. And there's two of them for this one. And the reason why there's two is because if this whole line is 180 degrees and this side's 90, then we can infer that the other angle on the other side is 90. So we could say CQD or angle CQA. And then we have one more, and this one's called straight angle. And this is an angle measures 180 degrees or is a straight line. And there's only one of those, and that's going to be this straight line right here. So the Q is still the vertex because it's in the middle. So I'd still say angle AQD. Like so. So that's how we can categorize angles based on their measurements. Acute is less than 90, obtuse is greater than 90, right equals exactly 90, and straight is either a line or measures 180 degrees. And remember, whenever you're naming an angle, we always put that vertex as our middle letter. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.